Southwestern University, and we just went into science and we did a lot of science experiments.
My favorite part about today was doing the bookmarks. I liked how when you put the shaving cream on there, and then you put the food dye, and then once you put it all on there and the ruler, you would scrape it all off. I like the design.
You will see that the pigment on it has changed into 3 different colors, but it's just one. How is this possible? Well, the pigment inside of the expo marker separated from the water, so it made the pigment go up and it stopped right here. It made this little cool design.
The really funnest thing I like having about it to see how it feels to do stuff that college kids do.